Hi. Hi, Sipura. Jasmine, hi. Shashi, hi, hello. Y'all are the first ones to comment. Hi, Ranjit, hello. Hi, everyone. How are you all doing? Hope all good with your health and everything. I'm not so well. I am a little down with cold and cough. I think you can figure it out with my voice. But I thought I'll be again away for many days from now for shoot. So I thought I'll just quickly come and say hi to all of you all. And yeah, come on, shoot some questions if you all have. Thank you. Thank you, Mohammed. I just said I'm not doing that great. I have this really bad cough and cold, and I'm going to be traveling tomorrow, so I don't know how I'm going to manage. But yeah, good evening. Good to see you, Anwar. How are you all? What's happening? End of year. How is this year been with you all? How did COVID treat you? Or how did you all treat COVID rather? Um, Time is really tough for everybody. Things are getting back to normal. So I hope all your work and your routine life that was pre-COVID is now again back on track. So yeah, what else? Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all the lovely compliments. I really want to do a proper Q&A with you all. So if you have any questions, I'll have a post created and you can drop in all your questions that you may have for the Q&A, and we will do another live where I will only answer your questions. Yeah. Is anybody asking me any question here? Nobody. Everybody is saying good evening. November 2019, maybe. Yeah, even before COVID. I have not been to theaters after that. So yeah. Sorry. I lost the signal. I got a call. So yeah, if I put on flight mode, I'm not getting good Wi-Fi in my room. So I have to be. Yeah, I'm sorry. What else? Po. I'm going to be here for another 20 minutes. So if you all have any questions, anything of that sort, to ask. Sorry. And yeah, what are your plans for New Year? I mean, since things have opened up, people have started partying and all, like it seems. So I'm sure this year again the New Year's is going to be not as big as how it used to be pre-COVID, but pretty much there. So what are your plans? I, as always, I'm going to be home, not going to do anything much. So yeah, pretty much that is it. Somebody is asking contact number, send me. Yeah, thank you. I will for sure. How is life? Life is good. Slowly getting back on track when it comes to work and everything. So life is better. My next movie is Ahimsa. It's again under the direction of Teja sir, who is the director of Jayam and Aunana Kadana. So I'm doing that currently. Very soon, Ramesh Yadav. Like I said, the shoot is already in process for Ahimsa, and hopefully start of next year it should be out in theaters. I really want to do Malayalam movies too. It's been quite some time that I have done anything in Malayalam industry. If something really nice comes up, I'll surely take it up this time. Okay, Okay, by the way, how many of you all have subscribed to Sada's Green Life? Because there you get updates of, you know, my life, like literally everything that is happening, my routines and everything. You get to see all of that on the channel. So if you haven't subscribed to Sada's Green Life, please do, you know, go on YouTube and subscribe. I just had uploaded another video on YouTube which went live at 5 p.m. If you haven't checked that out, do check it out. Lot of safari videos are also going to come very soon. Yep, in the process of getting them edited, lot of footage. So yeah. Thank you, Will Smith. Thank you so much. Murder mystery movie, please, Ranjit. Yeah, like I am a big fan of thriller films myself. I love to watch thriller. That genre is my favorite, and unfortunately, I have never got a good project when it comes to murder mystery and everything. But yeah, that's even my, you know, dream kind of movie to be a part of murder mystery and probably do a negative role in that. I miss doing Kannada films as well. Thank you so much, Ashok Srivastava Garu. Thank you. It's not my birthday. Why are you wishing me happy birthday? తెలుగులో మాట్లాడితే తమిళ్ వాళ్ళకి మలయాళం వాళ్ళకి అర్థం అవ్వద్దు కాబట్టి తెలుగులో మాట్లాడట్లేదు. லைக் வை சதீஷ் தமிழில் பேசினா மற்றங் எல்லாருக்கும் புரியாது. ஸோ கன்னடா அவங்களுன்னா இருக்காங்க, மலையாளிஸ் இருக்காங்க. ஸோ அவங்களுக்கு தெரியாதனால நான் இங்கிலீஷில் பேசுகிறேன். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச் பிரசாத் மோக்லி. By the way, any of you all have done safaris? That's like my latest passion now, you know, to be in forests and to explore the wildlife and everything. Have any of you all done that? Please let me know in the comments. I really, you know, it's so thrilling to be there and see wildlife up close. And I'm traveling tomorrow again, and I'm going to be going to Kanha Tiger Reserve. From day after I'm going to be there, so I'm really looking forward to it. Yeah, I really have long hair, not that long, but yeah, they're pretty much long. I had cut them in Feb this year because I was tired of this whole lockdown and everything, and I took off all the frustration on my hair. I just trimmed them at home, and yeah, now they've grown back. Come on, yeah, you're not asking any questions only. You all are like, how are you? And good evening. And all of that. Satvik Yadav says, I love your vegan diet. Vegan lifestyle in general is so calming. It's so satisfying. It's so uplifting. Like it changes something deep within you. It's not just the food that you eat, and it's not just that, but when you know that you are consciously not contributing to the pain and suffering of any other sentient being, that feel of that is something else. And I think I'm blessed to have taken this up very late in my life, but however I've taken veganism very, very seriously, so much that I want to promote it to everybody. If you all want me to do a live video where I can answer your questions about vegan lifestyle and how easy it is to, you know, transform from being a non-vegan to vegan, I can definitely do that. So let me know in the comments if you all are interested in something like that, a live video or a Q&A where I can address your queries and your doubts about veganism. There are lots of myths around it, So I would definitely love to address all those questions. So yeah, let me know. Purna Rao, I'm coming back into Telugu films with Ahimsa and many more very soon, but stay tuned. And meanwhile, like I said, if you all want to watch more of my content, do subscribe to Sada's Green Life. My tea is getting cold. It's got cold already. I forgot. What else? I'm good. I'm good. I think people who've just joined are asking me how I am. I'm good otherwise, but health-wise, I'm a little down with cough and cold. So yeah. Kavita Babu, hi. No, I've not taken up any project in Tamil yet, but let's see if there is anything interesting. I'll surely take it up. Anand, I don't know when I'm going to get married. I really don't know. I don't even think it is so important. Like, I don't look forward to that one thing. If it has to happen, it will happen. I don't really pay too much attention to it. For me, other things in my life are things that keep me happy, keep me on the go, and yeah. Thank you, Thiru Sadasivam. Thank you so much. I am taking care of my health, and yeah, Mumbai weather has been extremely bad. It's almost end of November, and still we have showers. Like, it rains, it gets hot, it gets humid, then suddenly it gets cold. So it's been a completely disaster when it comes to the weather here in Mumbai, and that has taken a toll on my health a little bit. But yeah. Yes, Clinto Tom, I have Insta ID. It's called SADAA 117, number 117. So it's SADAA 17. Logeshwari Prakash, she's asking what is the secret of your skins and daily routine. That's what I'm saying. Please subscribe to the channel Sada's Green Life. You will know everything. I keep putting up content that talks about my skincare routine, my hair care routine, my makeup, the kind of makeup I do on regular. Right now there's nothing. There's just a little lip balm, kajal, but otherwise the normal makeup that I do when I step out, either for some work and all, not for shoot, but generally. So that kind of routine, then my shoot routines, my travel vlogs, all of that is there on Sada's Green Life. So please do consider subscribing. Keshava, thank you so much. I also love myself in the movie Jayam. Ashwin Nelson is saying, because you follow vegan, your health is gone. Because I'm following vegan, my health is become so much better. This little cold and cough is something that I'm least bothered about. The entire COVID, when everybody was dealing with COVID and everything, probably it was only because I was vegan and I was taking clean food. I did not even catch infection once. This is because of the non-stop travel and the weather. Like I said, constant change in weather that has been happening. It's a little bit of viral that I have caught. But apart from that, all the other problems that I used to face in terms of my health are all gone after I went plant-based. So please don't comment on my vegan lifestyle and my health if you don't know about it. Oh, Varsha Satya, I am so sorry. I did not see any of your previous messages. I'm really, really sorry. the comments keep coming, and it's very difficult to keep up with all of them. Bali safari is good, is what Sunil Kumar is saying. Okay, we'll have to check that out, because I was traveling to MP, which is Madhya Pradesh, for work, for Ahimsa shoot. Again, I have shoot tomorrow, which is only 1 day's shoot, so I'm going to extend my stay for the safaris and everything. So, which is why I started off with Madhya Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh is so beautiful. If you all want to do safaris and everything, you can go to Panna, you can go to Panna, Bandhavgarh, and Kanha. They're so beautiful. When you're coming to Hyderabad, I don't know, no plans as of now. Sujit Kumar Ganeshan, yes, Mumbai is in a terrible mood swing. Something is really upset Mumbai, it seems, and the weather generally by after Diwali we start getting, so we don't have cold per se here, but it is pleasant. But now, like I said, it's November end and I'm still sweating. It's hot and humid. So yes, Mumbai has terrible mood swings. Hari Krishna Garu, thank you so much. నా మదర్ గురించి నేను గొప్పగా చెప్పడం కూడా చాలా చిన్న విషయం, బికాజ్ తన నా కోసం, ఫ్యామిలీ కోసం ఎంత చేసిందంటే, అంటే ఐ థింక్ ఆల్ మదర్స్ ఆర్ లైక్ దాట్. they are always put into that pedestal that they are supposed to be like that, but seriously, no matter how much I speak about her, it's always going to be very little. It's like she's the backbone, she's my strength, she's everything for me. Okay, another RS Khan, I'm sorry, रो क्यों रहे हो? रोना नहीं, हमेशा हंसते रहना. Prabin Prem, hi. Srimant Rao, yes, even I'm missing movies now. I had taken a break because I had started this cafe called Earthlings Cafe in Mumbai, which is a fully vegan cafe, and we opened it in April 2019, and I thought I'll open it and my staff will take care of it, but I realized very soon that that's not how it is. You need to pay attention, you need to like literally be around to see if it is going well and everything. And since I had no experience in food and beverage industry, it was a little more difficult and challenging for me to bring that baby on track. And now it is like after dealing with two lockdowns and that entire pandemic scenario and everything, now I have staff that can take care of it in my absence, and staff that I can trust. So now I've started to take up more work when it comes to movies and everything. So yeah, now you'll see me more often. Khalil Rahman, yeah, like I said, even I've been missing being on big screen, but now you will surely see me do more stuff when it comes to acting. Tamarai Kannan, I would definitely give credit to my health and everything to the vegan lifestyle that I follow. Kusam Ganesh Reddy, I wish. Okay. Prabhakar Reddy, you love cats. Thank you so much. I love all animals, be it cats, dogs. At home, I prefer having cats because they're great as companion animals, and they're independent. They're not as dependent as dogs, so it really works well when even if I have to travel and everything. They don't need that much attention as dogs need. Okay. TJ Shakti asked me if I'm born in Tamil Nadu. No, I'm not born in Tamil Nadu. I'm born in Maharashtra, a place called Ratnagiri. So, yeah, not a Tamilian. Oh, Vikesh Palli, thank you. Pillai, sorry. Thank you so much. Kadir, thank you. Can you share about your YouTube channel experience? So I started the channel to promote the kind of lifestyle that I've been following, because I've seen immense difference in the way my life has become after I went vegan. So that was the prime reason why I started the channel called Sada's Green Life. And apart from that, I majorly talk about my day-to-day life and all of that. So the experience so far has been very good. A lot of love, lot of support. We are close to 2 lakh subscribers and it's going really well. But I would really want all of you all to become a part of that family as well, because I'm not saying you will learn or anything, but there will be some kind of awareness that probably is lacking. You might get through that channel. So if you all like me, if you all respect me, and if you all love me, that is what I can see from all the comments. Please do join that family, Sada's Green Life. Yeah. And what else? My parents are doing really well, Yogi. Thank you so much for asking. Nice lip color, somebody is saying. Barsha, it's a Faces Canada's lip color with a little bit of lip balm. So it's very natural for my lip color as it is. What else? Can you speak Hindi? Sohail says yes. हिंदी मेरी मदर टंग है, और अब तो ऐसा है कि हिंदी में ही बात कम होती है. सिर्फ घर पे जितनी पेरेंट्स के साथ बात होती है उतनी ही. अदरवाइज़ तो या तो इंग्लिश या तो तेलुगु या तमिल, इन्हीं लैंग्वेजेस में ज़्यादा करके बात करना पड़ता है. बट हाँ. Naz is asking, how's auntie and uncle when coming to Ratnagiri? I have big plans to come to Ratnagiri and revisit my childhood home. I'll surely be doing that very, very soon. Song singing. I can't sing song because, like you can see, my voice is already bad because of the cold and cough that I'm facing right now. Any tip from your side to keep on smiling, Firoz? I mean, what tip? You just have to keep smiling. I mean, see, everybody deals with problems in their lives. It's not that I don't have. Like, there are instances, even today when I had gone to the cafe, there are certain things which don't function the way they should. And that really upsets me. But then the next moment I realized it's okay. It's very important to keep feeling good from within. The moment you feel good, things also start to fall in place by themselves. So yeah, there are things that can upset you, but immediately make that switch and change your mood. Take that effort. Once you start doing it frequently, I think it is just a matter of habit. Thank you so much, guys. Speak Tamil. I just spoke. Prabhakar Reddy, my voice is so nice. I have very bad voice right now. I'm glad that I have not coughed yet in this half an hour. Otherwise, I've been like constantly coughing and all through the day. Stalin, thank you so much. Raghutu Prasad, NTR, what about your mother's health is what you've asked. My mother's health is much better. We still keep doing routine tests on her every 6 months as advised by her oncologist. We still have to keep doing that, but so far she's doing well. Thank you so much for asking. Sivakumar, thank you so much. I really hope that comes true. What else, guys? I think I am 2 minutes away from ending this live. If there is anything that you want to ask, please do. I've kind of missed a lot of comments. It looks like somebody saying hi from Bangladesh. Hi, Kayas, your name is? I'm sorry. Sunil Kumar, I'm sorry. It's not that I'm purposely avoiding anybody. It's just that I can't keep up with the pace of the comments. Thank you so much, Sunil. I really need and appreciate all the support that you and everybody else is giving me. Thank you so much. Okay, guys, I think that is pretty much it. I shall see you very soon once again. Until then, if you all have any questions, I will put up a post and you all can drop all your questions there and I will do a Q&A. That's it for today. And take care of yourself, take care of your family, take care of all the animals that are around you. Put in that little effort. It will not probably change the entire world, but for that one animal, it will definitely mean the world. So please, just put in that conscious effort of observing, and if there is anybody who is in need, just help them. That is all I can say. Thank you so much for being here with me on this live chat, and I will see you all very, very soon. Till then, take care, feel good, and be blessed.